I have this branch here so that I'm able to control the fire. So once the flames get just right at my fence, I put them off with this. Hello guys, welcome back to Amoke Vlogs. This is the #1 events, travel and adventure YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great as I am also doing okay. So guys, on our previous episode, we went about checking the container homes at Container Kenya, whereby Bella took us through the process of getting or buying a container home. One of the things she mentioned was that it takes roughly 21 days for home to be delivered to your site. And before the home is delivered to your site, you must get your site ready. So on this episode, we are doing two things. Identifying where the container will be placed, that's the site, and making that site ready. So Bella suggested that I put at least 4 pillars. From my end, I've decided to go with 6 pillars in order to make the container stand rigid. There is this small land that I've identified along the outskirts of Nairobi, which I think will be good enough for us to set up this container. To get an inside scoop of Amoke Vlogs before it appears on YouTube, feel free to follow me on IG. That's Amoke_Vlogs. Anyway guys, let us go and check out and prepare where this container will be placed. So guys, currently I'm trying to make the compound look neat. So I'm using fire to assist me clear the compound. This one, the fire gets rid of thorns because there are some thorns here. And also I'm being careful so that the fire doesn't spread and destroy the property. So while those guys are trying to clear the hole, to flatten that soil, I try to clear the compound in preparation of bringing the container here. So guys, let's continue. Okay. So guys, I've decided to use that soil or rocks. So those rocks are the rocks that were dug from the septic tank. I've already dug septic tank somewhere there. So this one we'll use it to level the container. We'll put it under the container. However, I'm also planning to do 6 pillars here. So once they have leveled, now we'll know where to dig the 6 pillars. So each pillar will be 2 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. This is where I dug the septic tank, and I've already plastered it. It's about 20 feet deep. So my idea was to make an external septic tank and on top put a toilet and a bathroom this side. So eventually I will build a wall here to cover the place. So all waste from this container house that I'll put where these guys are filling up with the soil will come here. Remember, the container home also has internal toilet, so all the waste will come to this septic tank. And I'm planning to build my main house there. Do you see where that farm is? This, so this is where my dream home will be. You see, some of my neighbors have already started building awesome mansions. There's that one, there's that one. That's where our source of water comes from. And several people have already built. I can also see another container home there. So guys, do you see where this farm is? This is where I'm planning to build my dream home. Once my dream home is here, all the waste will go to that septic tank. I purposefully put that septic tank there so that it can be easily accessed by the exhausters. Those are the lorries that move the waste. Currently there is no sewer pipes here, so I believe I will be relying on the lorries to move the waste to where they're supposed to be. I have this branch here so that I'm able to control the fire. So once the flames get just right at my fence, I put them off with this to avoid disaster. The weeds are burning as per the direction of the wind, so I have to be here to be able to control it. So the flames are currently dying down, and that's a good sign. So guys, do not lit a bush or try to burn weed when you know very well that you cannot control the flames.
I want to build a small house.
Yes, I want to build a small house.
Are you?
I will become a big guys. I've managed to weed out all the weeds that were around these trees, and ensure that now they're receiving water. So as you can check, all of them are now weeded. So this water is coming from that tank. Those were some of the value-added things to this land. So we have a tank there and a big solar panel that pumps the water. So the water is still coming in. So I just want to flood them in the water. It will take them for a while. You can see here, this is another tree here. This one is almost dying. I burnt this one with fire, but I believe it will survive. This one will survive definitely. So I found out that there is one tree here that's dead. I'm waiting for rainy season, then I'll plant again. So they go all that way. I have a Mpesa tree there and that big one for shade. Yeah guys, I'm so tired. It's been a long day. I was able to make my makeshift gate here. At least it helps to secure here. Obviously human being can pass here, but I believe animals might get it a challenge getting through. So guys, if you know anybody making gates out there at affordable price, kindly leave a comment or link me up so that I can work on my gate. I'm also intending to put up a wall. I'm not sure when. Putting up these things are very expensive, so I was waiting for neighbor from this side to put up his wall. He's nowhere to be seen. I was waiting for neighbor for their side to put up wall. Nowhere to be seen. I'm also waiting for this neighbor this side to put up wall. Nowhere to be seen. After all of them put wall, I was expecting only to put wall here and my gate. Unfortunately, none. So guys, it was a very busy day, and I had a number of tasks to complete, which I successfully completed. One of the tasks was to clear the area, slash the area, The other one was to weed the crops, the trees, and water them. The other task was to find fundis to go dig foundation, whereby we'll be putting the pillars that will hold the containers. Yes, I found the fundis, the foot of the containers that they dug were dug as per the specification of the person who will come and put up the pillars. So the next stage is just now to go back to where the container is being fabricated, check out the progress, and continue putting up the pillars. So guys, thank you very much for watching this episode. Always remember to give this video a like, it really helps. And also, if you are new here, remember to subscribe. See you on the next episode.